We're about to light a firework right now.
Mike, you're about to do it.
See, it's about to go off right now. It's going off. That was 100% boring. We got some more right here. Got two right here. We'll put it down right here. Oh. There. We're doing two more. Those are the last two that we have. We might get some more later on, maybe a few days. I think that one's gonna set off the other. I'm good right here. That was boring. That was so boring. All it did was bring out smoke. If you guys can see it, there's so much smoke around the place. And it's heading my way. The smoke is coming to me. That's just like a giant... There's like a giant cloud of smoke right here. Wow. I might upload this to YouTube actually. I might actually upload this one to YT.
لا ارميها على بره كده. ما تمسكهاش، ارميها احذفها بقى. ارجع ورا.
Okay. We're about to set off.
تعالى كده. تعالى كده.
Right now we're gonna set off the last one that we have. Alright, we're about to set it off.
ارجع ورا.
Oh, this one's letting out blue smoke. Oh wow, that's boring. This is boring. That was boring. That was boring. 100% boring.
The first one was good.
The second one is actually better. Alright, well that's it for now. Bye, see you all at the next YouTube video. And please remember to like and subscribe. Peace, bros.